Okay, I never thought I'd be the guy testing solar panels and Wi-Fi cameras on the internet. But here we are. Stick around because I'm not just going to tell you about this thing. I'm going to put it through its paces right now. No script. And a quick thank you to GNCC for sending me this solar security camera to try out. I'm going to actually test the features myself so you can see how it really performs and not just hear me read the box. Okay, so this is the GNCC solar outdoor security camera. No wires, no electrician, solar powered, fully wireless. Let's see what it can actually do. So can a guy my age set this up without calling for backup? Let's find out. Okay, so you download the Oseo app, scan the QR code on the camera, connect to Wi-Fi. Now I'll mount it with the included bracket, angle it toward the back door, and that's it. Camera's live. Total time? Well, with me it was about 30 minutes. But I didn't need to call my nephew once. Now my nephew or my son, they're in the 30s, they could do it in 10 minutes. Okay, now the question everybody asks, does this feel cheap? That's not flimsy plastic. The housing feels weatherproof and solid. I was half expecting something that maybe crack if I looked at it wrong, but this feels built to actually sit outside through a storm, and I'll need it here in Florida. Okay, now let's test the day-to-day experience, since that's really what matters. I'm opening the app right now. Now here's the live view, and here's where alerts show up. And watch this. I'm going to walk past the camera right now and see how fast it catches me. There it is, notification on my phone within seconds. And it correctly tagged that as a person, not just a random motion, so I'm not getting, buzzed every time a leaf blows by, which a couple of my others does that all the time. I also tested the night vision after the sun went down, and you can toggle between black and white, infrared, or full color with the spotlight on. I flipped it up to color mode, and you can actually make out details, and it's not just a blurry shadow. Another big question people ask, how long does the battery actually last? Well, it's got a 5200 mAh battery with the solar panel keeping it topped off. I've had mine running for about 2 weeks now without touching the charger. And GNCC says most users only need a manual top off every few months. Of course, that's what I'd imagine with the solar panel helping out and keeping that energy coming in. And I'll keep tracking mine and update you, but so far, so good. I also tried sharing access with my wife through the app. It took about 30 seconds, well, about a minute for me, and now she's getting the same alerts on her phone. You can add up to 3 family members so everybody can keep an eye on things. So after actually living with this thing for a bit, set up alerts, night vision, sharing it with my wife, it held up to everything it promised. And if you want to try it yourself, I'll drop the link below. And if this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't. It helps my channel out, and it really does help a guy my age feel like I'm winning at this internet thing. So that's it. The GNC wireless outdoor cam. I hope this helps.